Hello everyone and welcome to Cricket Rasikan. For today's video, I'm going to discuss on a review for the first T20 international match between India vs England. So let's get into the video. England had won the crucial toss and they decided to bowl first. England had picked 3 seamers, 2 seam bowling all-rounders and a spinner, whereas India had picked 2 seamers, 3 spinners and a seam bowling all-rounder. And India had also opted to rest Rohit Sharma for the first T20 match. India had started the innings on a shaky note when Jofra dismissed KL Rahul for one as Rahul tried to drive it to the cover but ended up getting inside edge onto the stumps. That was a big wicket for England. Adil Rashid picked up a big scalp of Virat Kohli for naught. Virat Kohli wanted to break free and try to hook it over the mid-wicket but ended up getting caught by Chris Jordan. King Kohli's horror run still continues. Rishabh Pant's reverse 6 of Jofra Archer was one of the mesmerizing things in this match. That shot was way beyond the description. Pant premeditated the good length delivery and smacked the ball over the third man region. Jofra Archer wouldn't have expected this for sure. Mark Wood and Ben Stokes dismissed Shikhar Dhawan and Rishabh Pant respectively as India innings lacked momentum. Shreyas Iyer thereby took on the honours and kept England at bay en route a 36-ball 50. Hardik Pandya kept Shreyas company in a 50-run stand and kept England at bay. Shreyas Iyer had managed to score a 48-ball 67, but none of the batsmen didn't even score at a runner ball. Jofra Archer dismissed Hardik Pandya and Shardul Thakur of consecutive balls in the 18th over, and Chris Jordan dismissed Shreyas Iyer in the last over, and India had managed to score 124 for 7, which was certainly a below par total. India fell short by 30 to 40 runs. Jason Roy and Jos Buttler had got England off to a fantastic start with a 72-run opening stand. During the first delivery of the 5th over, Buttler came down the pitch, went through the lofted drive, and it went really high onto the sky. Rahul was right in front of the ropes, dived backwards, plucked the catch and throwed it back before he landed it over. He saved at least 4 runs. Jason Roy severely hammered Yuzvendra Chahal for 4s and 6s at a strike rate of 200. He scored a 32-ball 49 runs. Jos Buttler took his time to settle in and timed the ball beautifully before he fell to Yuzvendra Chahal for 28. Johnny Bairstow struck some mighty blows from Yuzvendra Chahal that cleared the field to propel England towards the target. David Malan finished off the innings with a 6 as England chased the target down in 15.3 overs to pick up an 8-wicket win and go 1-up in a 5-match series. So that's it for today's episode. You can subscribe my channel by simply clicking it through the subscribe icon. Until then, see you and goodbye.